Lancaster bomber, rugged World War II veteran of night bombing and dam-busting fame, is retiring from the RCAF Maritime Air Command. Replacing the Lanc is a versatile medium-range aircraft, the Neptune. Ground and air crews undergo training courses whenever a new aircraft goes into service. Instruction begins at the aircraft factory and continues at Maritime Air Command until crews are familiar with every switch and control. The Neptune carries 1.5 tons of complex electronic equipment. The new aircraft is fitted with the latest radar and submarine detection apparatus. It's quickly equipped with torpedoes or mine-laying gear and can stay in the air for a 12-hour patrol. In anti-submarine warfare, the Neptune is capable of fast speeds over the target and carries a lethal load of depth bombs. Advancing from theory to practice, the crew takes off on a trial run with a sub-killing cargo. From Maritime Air Command, a report. Thumbs up on the new Neptune.